Hey Manny, thanks again for all of your help blurring out kiddos and photos. I really appreciate it. I wanted to send a note because some of the file types have been really big, and a lot of the social media platforms won't let me share them because they're too large to share, so I'm having to go through and resave them. Uh, for example, just the PNG that I'm clicked on here, you'll notice it's over 15 megabytes, and typically it should be around about 2 megabytes max. So I just wanted to show you again how to do the blurring on these and save them so the file type isn't so big, and it should help save some room on your machine as well. My guess is that's probably why Photoshop was freezing up for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this window out of the way. And I've already got this open in Photoshop, and if you've already blurred the kiddos, if you go to File and then Save As, for the photos, I would recommend doing just the JPEG. The JPEG file size is a little bit smaller than the PNG because of transparency reasons, so I would recommend the JPEG. And when I hit Save, a window is going to pop up. And this is the most important part right here, is this window. And right now it's saying that we have an image quality set to 12, which is our max. If we drop that down, you'll notice the file size drops down over here. So this gets us to a much better range, and this is perfect for any digital media. If we were going to be printing them, I would say absolutely keep them at the 15 megabytes, but I think that that's actually bigger than the original photo size if I had to guess. So again, you'll just notice when I switch it back to maximum, it goes to 10. If you want it really high, you'd make it 12. And I'm not sure how you're hitting the 15 megabytes for these. Maybe it's the fact that it's a PNG, but this should help. So I would recommend selecting the high and then just making sure that the file size doesn't exceed 2 megabytes. And then we'll just click OK. And it's going to go ahead and save where the original one's at, and should be good to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Very happy to help. Thank you so much for everything you do.